Okay, please turn to example 7. Before I start, let me just recap the formula for volume on the first page that was on this tutorial. Volume equals to length times breadth times height for cuboids. So this is a pretty straightforward question. If they give you the length, breadth and height and then they ask you to find the volume, you just apply the formula as such. And don't forget your units in the final answer. Alright, for example 8, they give you the volume and they give you only the length and the breadth. So it's basically this formula, length times breadth times height equals to volume. If you know the length and the breadth but the height is not known, okay, let me phrase it like this. Length and breadth times height equals to volume. How would you work backwards to get this number? So, refer to the solution. You first solve for this part here, which is 72. 72 times blank equals to 864. So to work backwards, you will have to divide. Okay, so it's still the same formula that you have to apply. Let's try question 9. Okay, easy question first. Volume will be 20 times 4 times 6. Calculators are allowed, so type this into your calculator. And you would get 480. So 480 cm cubed. Okay, let's move on to question 11. The figure below shows a cuboid with square face X of side 5 cm. So you know that this is a square. So if that is 5 cm, then this will also be 5 cm. Oops, sorry, 5 cm. Yeah, because it's a square face. So you know the breadth and the height, you're just missing the length now. So using the same formula, length times breadth times height equals to volume, where length times 5 times 5 equals to 350. You solve by this first. So 5 times 5 equals 25. Then you take 350 divided by that number, you get your answer. So let's key it into our calculators and you should get 14. So now take note of what you're looking for so that you can write the correct units. Okay, and with that we're done with tutorial 1. So next video onwards we will be referring to tutorial 2.